Hi, I'm Pauline Tonkin from Blue Tree Mortgages West. I've been a mortgage broker for about 14 years. As a homeowner in the past, I worked with my bank for mortgage financing, and I always felt like I was going into the principal's office. I was in trouble. I was begging for money. And so when I met someone I knew who was a mortgage broker, we had a conversation about how it worked, and it just felt natural. It just made sense to me, and I thought that more people needed more options to be able to choose from their own mortgage financing. Made sense, so I decided to look into it, and no looking back. And then secondly, in my own previous experience working through my bank, I had learned through somebody else who was a mortgage broker that you don't often get the best rate or the best terms up front. They give you an offer, and then depending on your application or depending if you want to negotiate, they'll come back with a better offer. I didn't realize that they didn't just give you the best options up front. That was a big surprise to me. And one of the reasons why I like being a mortgage broker, because we have to give you all the best options up front. One of the things I love most about my job is working with people, and I really love helping people. And it's such an important part of their life is purchasing a home or renovating their home or purchasing a second home or any number of reasons why they might come to me. They could be in trouble with their credit history. All of those things happen every day in my job. So I'm always working with different people in different situations. And at the end of the day, it's been kind of a privilege to be able to work with them and help them become such an important part of their life. I don't think everyone gets to do that in their job. Well, what I find most from people is that when they speak to me and speak to other people about having worked with me, the biggest thing is trust. So if you don't have trust and respect, you can't really develop a relationship of any kind. Often people come to me, in many cases, they don't believe they can do anything. They're surprised to know there's options. They typically might have just gone to speak to their bank, which is fine, but they're limited by what that bank can offer. So that's one of the biggest wonderful experiences of the job is when people get that aha moment and their mind starts to rumble and they start to think about all the things that they could possibly do. That can be pretty exciting. You always want to have the power to choose. Give me a call.